Good evening, everybody. I have been challenged by Bill over at Stoney Creek Heritage Farm to join the Magical Fruit Challenge started by Bumble Bee Junction. It's just basically everybody doing videos to show how they make their baked beans. And sorry about that. There you go. My recipe is going to seem kind of plain compared to what everybody else does. But I've already started my bacon and onions, and they're about ready. I'm going to add 2 cans of a good flavored name brand pork and beans. I'm just using what I had. And this is a can of store brand baked beans. So you can see the difference in the color. Give that a stir. And it looks like my pan's not going to be big enough. I got a pan out here, a glass pan, and put aluminum foil in it. So it'll be a little bit easier cleaning up. But it looks to me like I'm going to need to get another one ready. It's just me here by myself. And I asked my son-in-law if he liked baked beans. I was going to give him a bunch. Nope, he don't like them. So I'll probably give these to a friend of mine. Of course, I'll eat a little bit. But I've talked to somebody and he said he likes them, so we'll see if we can send it over to him. Anyhow, here is a 1/4 of a cup of light brown sugar. Have that in there packed pretty good. And this is all according to taste. I like a lot of onions in it. And I like it sweet, but not too sweet. And everybody else that I've seen has put like jalapeno peppers or all kinds of green peppers. I don't like any kind of peppers. So that's why I don't put them in. And I'm going to add about a tablespoon of molasses. And it drip down all the way down the jar. Figures, doesn't it? Stir that in and let it be dripping so I can get every bit of it. And you might know I forgot to get me a spoon. Well, I can use the spoon that I used the... No, I won't either. Now, let me go get me a spoon so I can taste that and see if it needs anything else. That's good. I think it's good the way it is. I will leave this on here to simmer for just a little bit. And then I will put these in the pan and I'll have to prepare another one. Put them in the oven. And we'll be back at that point. Okay, we're back. And this is what I got. And I'm not going to prepare another pan because I just have a little tiny bit left. I'll just eat that. Try to get all this bacon out of here. I'm going to put in here There you go. I'm going to put it in my oven. I've got it over there preheating for 300, and I think I'm going to leave it in about an hour, so we'll see what it looks like at that point. But they do taste really good. Oh, one thing I did forget. I usually put barbecue sauce in, about a 1/4 cup or so, but I don't have any. So I'm going to have to do without. Now, I guess it tastes okay, but I usually put the barbecue sauce in there. But anyhow, we'll be back in a little bit when it's done. And here is the finished product. I just took it out of the oven. It stayed probably an hour, 20, 25 minutes, something like that. And it looks good and it smells so good. And over here, what I'm doing, if I can move it without making you too sick, I am making fried rice. There we go. Making fried rice for a friend and myself. It is now 20 till 12. So it's hard telling what time I'll get to bed. But that's okay. It's worth it. But anyhow, this is my baked beans. And like I said, it's not as fancy as a lot of people's. But I'm not a spicy, hot kind of a person. I don't like hot, spicy foods. But that's how I make it. So, I'm supposed to tag some people. I'm going to tag 4. First of all, Betty Boo Brown. Partially off-grid and homesteading with Debbie. Sorry, I hope you can hear me over the washer. I'm going to tag Haywire Homestead, and also want to challenge Frugal Mom Holly. If you all haven't checked out these channels, please go over and give them a little bit of love. And also I want to give a private message. Well, it's not too private if it's on public, is it? Anyhow, this person, I don't know if it's a he or she, left me a comment. The name on the channel is Me in Florida. So, hello Me. You said you needed to contact me. I don't have a way to do that. There is no contact information on your homepage. So I don't know how you're going to get hold of me. If you'd like to leave me your email address, or see if you can send me a private message. I'm not sure if that's still an option or not, but you can still try to send me a private message. I think you go to the About, and there is a thing over there that's a drop down menu. You click on that and it says send message. I think it's how it is. Anyhow, I'll put it down in the description how to get hold of me. But anyhow, if I have to, I will put my email address on so you can get hold of me. Don't know who you are or what you want, but yeah, you got me curious. So anyhow, that's it for now. I tagged these 4 people, but Debbie has got some other things going on right now, and she probably won't have time to do this. But if you want to just jump in and do it, then Bumble Bee Junction has got a playlist that he's adding them to. So you can go over there and watch some of theirs, and they'll watch some of yours. But anyhow, I'm going to get off of here and finish my fried rice, and I'll talk to you all later. Y'all take care. Stay safe. Bye.